Welcome to Mrs. Riley's Maths videos. I'm looking here at the area of a triangle, and these are more difficult examples. So if you just remember from our previous video, the area of a triangle, the formula for that is it's half times the base width times the perpendicular height. So basically that formula is a half times the base times the height. Okay, so if we have a base width, or we have one side and we have a height that's perpendicular to that of the triangle, then we can work out the area. So here's a triangle. 9 is this side. We don't know either of the other sides, but what they have told us is the height is 7. Now this is weird because the height of this triangle is outside of the triangle. They couldn't actually find a place to draw the perpendicular height of this triangle because this angle is bigger than 90 degrees. So the base width is 9 and the height is at right angles to the base, and it's 7. So the area of that triangle is a half by base by height, so a half by 9 by 7, which is a half of 63, which is 31.5 units squared. Okay, these are all from text and test 2, so you may have seen them there or been stuck on them before. We're told that this is 15 centimeters. Okay, so here's another one. Again, it's a triangle. It's not a right angle triangle, though this angle is bigger than 90. What we're told, though, is that the base is 15. And again, the perpendicular height is having to be drawn outside the triangle. So the height is equal to 8. So the area of that triangle is a half by 15 by 8, which is a half by 120, which is 60. In this case, centimeters squared. Okay, the next one, this is a bit weird now. Let's look carefully at this. So what we've got is a triangle. Let's turn our camera so that it's a different shape. Okay, so if we look at that, that would be our base, you would think. If that was our base, then that would be our height. But unfortunately, we're not told this base, so we can't use that. So that's actually a little bit of a red herring, if you've ever heard that phrase. It's kind of a distraction. That 12 is no use to us. In fact, what we have to do is to go with this being the base, 24, and this being the height of 20. So the base equals 24, the height equals 20, so the area is a half by the base, which is 24, by 20, so a half of 480, which is 240 units squared. Okay, now here we have another triangle. This time we're not told the height, but we are told the base is 18 and we're told the area is 90. So the area equals 90, but we know that a half by 18 by the height equals 90. So area is equal to a half times base times height. And the base was 18 and the height is x. So actually a half by 18 by x is equal to 90. So 9x is equal to 90. Well, now we can see, divide both sides by 9, x must be equal to 10. So the height is equal to 10. And the last one, here we have an area is 112. And that equals a half times the base times the height. We know the base is x. Oh, we don't really know it. We've got to find out what x is, I guess. And the height is 16. So a half by x by 16 is equal to 112. A half by 16 is 8. So 8x is equal to 112. So divide both sides by 8. And x is equal to 112 divided by x is what? 14, is it? 8 by 14. That makes sense, I think. So 14 centimeters. Okay, I hope that helps, and as I say, they were from text and tests, exercise 6.1. Take care, bye-bye.